One night stand. Tell me about a single person on this planet. I'm talking about the guy. Tell me about a single person on this planet who'll say no to a girl. Obviously, yes. If I'm a boy, I'll say yes.
Why?
Why? That's a question. That's a question you must ask, boy.
Now it's an open. It's if you're attracted to someone, then it's fine.
It's like totally person's choice. So
They shouldn't be done. They're wrong.
There's one of the main causes for HIV and all of that.
One night stands are a main cause of HIV.
Yeah, if you don't know the if you don't know
if you don't.
So I'm okay with the fact that people are comfortable, but then it has to be safe.
एक चीज़ होती है वन नाइट स्टैंड, उसके बारे में आपको पता है?
So
According to me, it's not right.
don't agree, it's not right.
No.
अगर आपकी आपस की अंडरस्टैंडिंग अच्छी है तो आप कर सकते हैं, वन नाइट स्टैंड में कोई बुराई नहीं है। वो तो एक फीलिंग शेयर करने वाली बात होती है फिर से।
कैसी फीलिंग शेयर करने वाली बात है?
हर तरीके की, चाहे वो मेंटली हो चाहे वो फिजिकली हो।
I think it's perfectly fine as per our generation is concerned. People don't have any issues with having one night stand because it's your personal outlook basically. So if you are both are comfortable, the individuals, nobody is forcing you to do that. So if you are comfortable doing
Never.
पक्का? गर्लफ्रेंड इज देयर?
Dan, पता है इसे नहीं दे रही.
You look like you had one.
No, I'm not even 18 yet.
I'm sorry. You never had a one night stand. You just said you're into it.
Meaning I would love to have.
You would love to have a one night stand.
Yeah. Nah, never. That's why I'm asking. I'm saying yes. I was always in a boys' school.
Okay.
And then I did my civil engineering.
Okay.
I never had a girl.
So you're an engineer. You
Yes.
never had a girl.
We had a girl. We had actually 4 girls.
Okay.
सबके दांत ऐसे थे. You might have tetanus after kissing them once.
See, I don't, really relate with this culture bullshit. I cannot just take it.
Okay.
Because it is so orthodox and traditional.
What exactly? I don't get this whole argument. Apparently, homosexuality is also against our culture.
Sex
right?
education is also against our.
Why? How is it against our culture? I mean,
Yeah, culture is not related to sex, in my opinion.
that's what I don't get. Isn't a parent supposed to educate the child about sex? Is there supposed to be some divine enlightenment? This is how children are produced. How is anyone else supposed to know about sex otherwise?
So culture is more about taking the people and taking the community along. So I don't think so that culture and sex are that much related. We had abortion.
Give it an answer.
It's not okay, but we'll have to accept it or just leave the guy and get married.
Well, that's in its past. That's in his past. So I just hope when he's with me, he doesn't do something like that.
For me, it won't be a problem then, because when I can do it, so why not my wife?
No problem at all.
No problem at all.
Not at
Are you
all.
sure?
Yeah, for sure.
I believe it's absolutely natural if somebody has a past, everybody's entitled to a past. It's fine. It's absolutely
And
fine.
you would judge them or you would not think negatively of them.
See, I don't think I would have a right to judge somebody when I don't even know them. Right then, in the past, if my partner has had some relationships of any kind, if I can want that kind of freedom for myself, why not for her?
public.
The only thing that matters is if that person is right now with you or not, emotionally and otherwise.
Yeah, sex is not the only ingredient.
Okay. And what if you found out your partner has had a one night stand?
That's
How would
after
you react?
marriage.
After marriage, let's say.
See, that will be a setback because, gradually, that is something related to loyalty.
Okay, no. You got married to her, but she's had a one night stand before.
See, before doesn't matter at all.
Before
no.
doesn't matter. Yeah.
That doesn't matter at all, definitely.
Okay. No issues. Good. All right. Thank you. Great reaction, man. Thank you. Would you want to? मांगा तो कभी वन नाइट स्टैंड कभी करा आपने?
नहीं
करना चाहते हैं वन नाइट स्टैंड?
ऑब्वियस
ऑब्वियसली. अच्छा. एंड व्हाई?
वन नाइट स्टैंड
तूफान लेके आए हो.